Good morning, students. Welcome to science class. Today we'll continue the chapter 7, combustions. So, before to start, first of all, we are going to discuss the keywords of that chapters. The keywords of the chapter. The first keyword is what is a combustion? So, burning of substance in the presence of oxygen to produce heat and light is called a combustion. Combustible material, a material which on heating in the presence of air catch fire easily and produce heat and light energy. कोई भी मटेरियल जो हीट प्रोड्यूस करता है in the presence of catch fire easily and energy, that is called a combustible material. Flame, a region of burning gases, is called flame. Ignition temperature, a minimum temperature at which given substance begin to burn. कोई भी सब्सटेंस जिस मिनिमम टेम्परेचर पे वो बर्न करना स्टार्ट करता है, दैट इज कॉल्ड इग्निशन टेम्परेचर. नेक्स्ट कीवर्ड इज अ स्लो combustion. When a combustible material burns at a slow or moderate rate, that combustion is called a slow combustion. Rapid combustion, the meaning of rapid is fast. When a combustible substance burns at a fast rate, its combustion is called a rapid combustion. Spontaneous combustion, when a combustible substance catch fire on its own even at room temperature, that combustion is called a spontaneous combustion. Next is explosive combustion, when a mixture of combustible material and air burns completely in a very short span of time in a closed space, is called explosive combustion. Now we are going to the topics of the chapter. The topics of the chapters are the combustion. We have to discuss about the combustion, study the condition which are required for combustion, classification of combustion, to understand flame, define calorific value, specific characters of good fuels and its harmful effects. So we'll start from the combustion and the condition which are required for combustion. So already we have discussed in the keyword that combustion is a burning of substance in the presence of oxygen to produce heat and light. A fuels, a substance that undergo combustion is called fuel. So we have three types of fuels: solid fuels, liquid fuels and gaseous fuels. You can see that like in solid fuels are wood, coal, charcoal, etc. Liquid fuels are kerosene, petroleum, diesel, etc. And gaseous fuels are CNG, LPG, biogas, hydrogen gas. These are the some examples of solids, liquids and gaseous fuels. So next is what are the conditions which are required for combustion. So three conditions are very important for any kind of combustion. First is a fuel. We need a fuel. Second is a continuous supply of air or oxygen. Third, heat to raise the temperature beyond the ignition temperature. So a substance will not burn without one of these conditions. So these are very important condition. किसी भी सब्सटेंस को कंबस्शंस के लिए वी नीड, एक तो हमें उसके फ्यूल्स की ज़रूरत होती है, कंबस्टिबल मटेरियल जिसे हम बोलते हैं. सेकंड, वहाँ पे कंटिन्यूस सप्लाई ऑफ ऑक्सीजन होना चाहिए. विदाउट ऑक्सीजन की प्रेजेंस के बिना हम कभी भी कंबस्शन नहीं कर पाएंगे. द थर्ड वन इज़ टू रेज द टेम्परेचर बियॉन्ड द इग्निशन टेम्परेचर. हमें उस वी नीड अ हीट जो टेम्परेचर को रेज करे बियॉन्ड द इग्निशन टेम्परेचर. सो दिस इज all about the today. We'll continue the next topic tomorrow. Thank you.